Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Kim Wilpon Crafts. I'm your girl, Kim Wilpon, and today we are going to do a little unboxing, unbagging. It's in a bag, so we're gonna unbag some mystery yarn that I got from Periwinkle Sheep. And I'm so excited because I love their yarn. And this yarn is intended to be socks, but I got a set for me and a set for my mom, but it's a mystery. Here is our package. Trusty scissors, crumble, crumble, yeah. You like that song? I just wanted to say that I bought this because I bought this intending to be a holiday gift for me and my mom, but also I just love a little magic and mystery in the holiday season. So let's see what we got. And I'm trying not to look at anything. Okay. I got each of us our own mini skein set and then a single skein of sock weight yarn. So let's see. I have this one first in my hand, and there you can see already there's some neon in there. Ooh! I feel like my mom would love this. Here we are. Ooh, I love this too. Shoot. Look at these mini skeins. So this is mini skein 1. Set 2 looks a little pinkier. Oh, and this middle one is glitter. Okay, this is too good. Look at these babies. Oh, this did not disappoint. Golly, it's so good. And this one has glitter in it. It's like a grayish brown. These are the full skeins. Okay, I see you. Gosh, their yarn is so pretty. Their yarn is just so delicious. It's it's a perfect purple. Do I love this purple? I'm sorry, I don't think my mom gets to keep this one. But I think she'll love the blue more than I don't know, I love them both. I want them both. I'm not keeping both because that wouldn't be fair and that wouldn't be kind and one's supposed to be a gift. So here's a close up on the purple. I just think it's so beautiful. Damn! Also, I just love having minis around. I'm in my hot girl sock era, and so I just love having all the minis, all the minis of all the land. Oh, these are so good. I'll keep all the minis. What if I just kept all the minis? For me. Yeah, I love these. But here's what I know I'm gonna do. I'm gonna call my mom. Yeah, she can pick it out herself. Do you want the big skein first or the minis first?
The big one. I want to see the color. Okay. I like your sweater.
So, thanks. So we've got this skein, and also this one goes with the easy eyelet you made that I've been wearing. And then the minis, I'm gonna show you.
They come in a bundle of minis?
Yeah, the bundles.
Wait, these are mystery skeins?
Yeah.
Nailed it.
Bundle 1.
Oh, very cool.
Very cool. These are really cool blues. The neon yellow is...
I love the neon. I love the neon yellow. There's just something about that, yeah.
It was so clever for her to put those together like that. And then, I know, I opened this one, I was like, we're both fighting for this one. Would you be happy with either?
Yes.
Okay.
Of course.
Though the neon with this would look really nice.
I think the neon yellow would be great for toes and heels.
Yeah, I agree. I'm shoving this in. You're getting it. You're getting the neons.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed this mystery unboxing of some Periwinkle Sheep yarn, and I hope that I see you all very soon in the next one. See ya, bye. Wait, don't go. Do not go, do not leave. So I was just packing up the stuff from this mystery unboxing, and I realized that there was more yarn that she gave me, like 2 extra mini skeins. She gave me an extra one of these, so now I have 2 of them, which is great. And then this really cool funky skein, which is so cool. Bonus skein! Bonus skein! Woo, woo, woo! Very happy that I looked in the package. Anyway, see you all. Bye!